Hey, how's it going, guys? Will Collect here. Today I'm opening another basketball card product. This is very likely to be my last video on basketball card products. Man, I'm finding out that these boxes are really expensive. For example, this box in front of us cost me $450. This is an Optic, Donruss Optic hobby box. I think on average, that NBA hobby boxes are on the more expensive side compared to baseball card hobby boxes. Not to mention if you're getting the premium products. Of course they will cost as much as this, but I think on average, in general, the average price for hobby boxes for basketball is a little bit on the higher side. So we'll see. It all depends on how lucky I am with this box. Maybe I start to like opening basketball card boxes. Anyways, so we have, like I mentioned, Donruss Optic hobby box. This came out about 1 week ago. Like the box says, it's got 20 packs and has 4 cards per pack. And should be 1 autograph and 20 inserts or parallels per box. So looking forward to that. So let's see, take a look at the box itself here. So these are the odds here, and it's interesting that they have Chinese here. I guess, see, basketball is the only sports that is popular in Asia and in Europe, and not to mention in America. Baseball, I would say it's only popular in America, or baseball. Did I say basketball? Baseball is only in America. So I guess that's why the price is so high, because so many people are buying it over the world, basically. But without further ado, let's open the box. Okay. This should pop out like that. Little display here. Okay. So let's go for it. Let's open the first pack. Whoa, flying cars. Let's see here. Okay. Got Murray. Rated rookie. Kobe White. Very nice. Justin Holiday, Middleton. That's the first pack. Let's go on to the second. Okay. Carroll. And we got Vince Carter, Rainmakers, Drew Holiday, very nice. Jackson Hayes, rated rookie. So for Optic, instead of the classic RC emblem, whatever you call it, or icon, they have rated rookie in the lower corner there. So this is a rookie card. This is what the back looks like. Schroeder. In general, these are very nice cars. Very thick stocked and shiny. Very nice looking cars. Stargazing. Capella. Okay. Osman. Another rated rookie, Grant Williams, Celtics. All right, we got something special here. What do you call this? Pink refractor, hollow. It's number 22 out of 79. This guy from Memphis. Don't know much about this guy here. Very nice looking car. Alright, we got some more from Lakers. Danny Green. Another rated rookie, Isaiah Robbie, Mavericks. DeAndre Jordan. Rated rookie of Thibault. Okay, I'm not gonna try to pronounce the name. Very nice hollow rated rookie right here. Thibault. Is that how you pronounce it? Most likely I butchered the name, so leave a comment below if you know the correct pronunciation. Like I say in my previous videos, I don't follow NBA as closely as baseball. So, all right. Next one. See, I learned this trick how to open these packs, so it actually works pretty good. Another rated rookie, Nasir Little. These are base rookies. So far I have one, can't pull one, hollow rookie, rated rookie here. Wiggins, Elite Dominators, JJ Redick, former Duke. Another rated rookie, Garland from Cavaliers. Miles Turner, John Moran, very nice. Very popular player right now. A lot of people are collecting John Moran's cars. Very nice card there. Malik Monk, Miles Turner. All right. Next one. All right. Jaren Jackson Jr. Rated rookie, Claxton. Stargazing. Bazemore. Very nice. Move on to the next one. Another rated rookie, Alexander Walker. DeRozan. And we have Lou Williams. And we have a gold hollow of Ken Bazemore. Very nice. Very nice looking card. And it's number 8 out of 199. Very nice. Put this right there. Not a Raider rookie. Kim Reddish. I think this is some sort of a variant, I believe. I'm not sure. So I noticed that the color is different there. Trying to compare other ones. Maybe just like that because the logo or the uniform color, uniform lettering is red. So I guess it's the name is red too. Anyways, let's move on. Reggie Jackson. We got Derek Favors. Very nice. It's not numbered. Okay, Goran Dragic. Not a Raider rookie. Nice. Jeff. Stargazing. Nikola Jokic. Draymond Green. Rubio, Raider rookie, Pascal, Dario Saric, very nice, old silver background, nice looking car. Blissel. I just noticed something on this pack here. Dunk get 10 free digital packs with you when you download the Dunk app, and there's a code there. Anyways, I'm not very interested in digital cards. Okay, let's see what we have here. Another rated rookie, Carson Edwards. Oh, here's the autograph, and it's a rookie autograph of Quindary Weatherspoon. Wow, nice. Autograph of a rookie. Definitely need to sleeve this up. Get my sleeves out here. And let me put this right here. Alright. Dwayne Wade. Held. Raider rookie, Tremont Waters, Jordan Clarkson, Karl Anthony Towns, very nice. Silver Hollow, I think this is what it's called. Very nice. Middleton. Alright, another Raider rookie of Weatherspoon again. Nice. Jeremy Lamb, Paul George, D'Angelo Russell. Alright, almost there, guys. Another rated rookie, Ty Jerome, Devin Booker, got a blue rated rookie of Nasir Little. Very nice. Number 51 out of 59. Very nice. Al Horford. Okay, we're down to 4 packs. Okay. Bobo, rated rookie. Andre Hunter. Okay. Isaiah Thomas. Rookie of PJ Washington Jr. Will Barton. Silver Holo. Ben Simmons. Alright, down to 2 packs. Got Tim Hardaway Jr. on the bottom. And we got rated rookie of Emerald Schofield. Very nice. Smith. Green Hollow of Wendell Carter Jr. Very nice. Tim Hardaway. Last pack, guys. Okay, Kevin Porter Jr. That was a rookie. Blake Griffin. Damian Lillard. All-Stars. And Mitchell Robinson. Alright, guys. So, just recap on what I pull. Witherspoon, autograph, rookie. Very nice. I think this is the big pull of the box. Very happy with that. And then a whole bunch of rookie cards here. Just really quick, going through them. Blue Hollow there, Nasir Little. And we got a silver frame, another rookie. Alright, so that's it. That's Donruss Optic, 2019-2020. And before I end this video, the reason I bought this box is I was trying to pick between Select, which will be coming out I think in a few weeks, and this product. In general, I like the design a little bit better. The fact that all the base cards have wide frame, and all the special cards have different variant color to it. I think makes it special. So that's why I picked this one. I think the price wise, I think Select, which is going to be coming out, is in the same price range. So I picked this one. So maybe something that I need to have to decide. Do I want to get Select and then open for you guys? What do you guys think? Leave a comment below. Should I buy Select when it comes out and open up for you, or for you guys, or leave a comment. And hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe, like this video, and share this video. Until next time, have a good one, guys.